Companies are investing heavily in AI agents to automate labor-intensive tasks. Startup teams are working tirelessly to develop innovative AI solutions. Data center servers are being utilized to train and deploy AI models. Enterprise workflows are being redefined to incorporate AI-driven processes. The adoption of AI agents poses significant risks to traditional business models. Despite the hype, many experts question the true potential of AI agents. Software engineers are working to develop more sophisticated AI algorithms. GPU server racks are being used to accelerate AI computation and processing. The AI Startup Office is a hub of activity, with teams whiteboarding ideas. Cloud data centers are being leveraged to store and manage vast amounts of data. The modern workspace is being transformed by the integration of AI agents. As the landscape continues to evolve, one thing is clear: AI is here to stay. As companies integrate AI agents, a new era of labor automation begins. Enterprise workflows are being redefined by AI-driven process optimization. Startup teams frantically develop AI solutions to stay competitive. Data center servers hum with activity, powering the AI revolution. Software engineers meticulously craft code to teach machines new skills. GPU server racks whir to life, accelerating AI model training. Whiteboard roadmaps outline the path to AI adoption, fraught with risk. Adoption risk versus reward is a delicate balance to maintain. Hype surrounds AI, but the reality is more nuanced and complex. Behind the scenes, AI agents quietly automate routine tasks. Enterprise leaders must weigh the benefits against potential disruption. The true potential of AI agents lies in their ability to augment human capabilities. Enterprise workflows are being reimagined with AI agents at the forefront. Companies are investing heavily in automation to stay competitive. Data center servers are being optimized to handle vast amounts of data. Software engineers are writing complex code to integrate AI into workflows. The adoption of AI agents poses significant risks to existing business models. Leaders must carefully consider the potential disruption to their operations. GPU server racks are being utilized to accelerate AI processing power. The hype surrounding AI agents often overshadows the actual benefits. Analysis suggests the true potential lies in augmenting human capabilities. AI startup offices are filled with whiteboards outlining roadmaps to success. Modern workspaces are being redesigned to accommodate the needs of AI systems. As companies invest in AI agents, labor automation becomes a key driver. Enterprise workflows are being re-examined to accommodate AI system needs. Startup teams work tirelessly to develop AI agents that can learn quickly. Data center servers hum in the background, powering AI computations. GPU server racks line the walls, a testament to AI's growing demands. Software engineers stare at code screens, debugging AI algorithms. The whiteboard roadmap outlines a vision for seamless AI integration. However, adoption risk looms large, threatening to derail AI projects. Separating hype from reality becomes crucial in the AI agent landscape. Companies must navigate the challenges of AI implementation carefully. Modern workspaces are being redesigned to foster collaboration with AI systems. The true potential of AI agents remains uncertain, awaiting real-world testing. As companies invest in AI agents, a new era of labor automation begins. Startup teams frantically develop AI systems to streamline enterprise workflows. GPU server racks line the walls, a testament to computational power. Software engineers meticulously craft code, bringing AI agents to life. Their workstations are filled with laptops, whiteboards, and endless lines of code. Adoption risk is a major concern, as companies navigate uncharted territory. Hype surrounds AI agents, but the reality is more complex and nuanced. Analysis suggests that hidden system mechanics are driving the adoption trend. Ultimately, the future of work will be shaped by the interplay of humans and AI agents. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.